50 states. Your market is already open tonight.
Thursday. Obviously, we know what yesterday was. Wasn't ideal. A landslide, tilt session, just a continuation. I made a little video about it, about how I was feeling, the things that caused me to feel like that. But it's time to bounce back. It's time to do it again. So, work. Good morning, King. GPT. Good morning, family. Welcome in as always. I'm first. Good morning, Poppy. Welcome in. Let's go. Pat, how you feeling, King?
Good, man. Good morning, everyone. Trying to wait for good setups, man. And yeah, we're gonna do this, dude. Got this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, he was saying he wanted to slow it down and really try to force it to be a one trade, maybe two trades, not be so eager to fire the gun, and I like that. I like that. You good, Ty? Yeah, I'm all right. Obviously it's not ideal, right? But it's not a sob story. I got my own way. I think the things I just want to highlight for you guys before market opens up here, looks like we're gonna have a pretty interesting day as well, about 390 point range. But the things that you started doing it, like I made a video about it. There was the money, how big of a dollar it was, and how much I was letting it affect me. The pressure that I built up on myself, all psychological, all on my own narrative, just the pressure that I was putting on the situation. And then also I started thinking more about what the money would be instead of what it would be if I didn't get it, right? So usually when I'm trading, I think about what happens if I take this trade and it's a loss. Instead, I was thinking about what happens if I take this trade and I win, and that's the tilt session, family. So we can take from that. Beautiful video dropped. I appreciate it, Don Dula. Let's go, family. You are a king, Ty. Let's go. Work. You're the man, King. I appreciate it so much. Yo, what's G? What's good, my G? On G. Good morning, family. I love it, D. Good morning. Way to show love to the family. Matthew, welcome in. Let's get focused, family. Let's find it today. Market's given, so we just got to do it. Can we get a time check? Can we get a time check? Right now, it's 9:30 exactly. Market just opened, I think, Dave. I don't know as if it's behind or not. Morning, family. Just finished watching your new video. Hopefully you had enough sleep. Didn't sleep as much as I wanted to, but same thing as the day before. I just couldn't sleep, and it's not even. Just a lot is on the mind right now. Of course, when you fucking feel like you blunder so badly, it's just I'm thinking about all the things I could have done differently, and like it doesn't really matter in the journey, but it does feel weighted right now, as of course, like I said in the video, it was really trying to have it just be my biggest payout after my biggest payout. I'm just trying to scale, and the pressures of that feel interesting. So just being authentic, family, and I hope you guys find value. Good morning, Bron. Welcome in, King. I mean your trade of 8 o'clock. My trade of 8 o'clock. 8:30:57. I don't know why you can't see that right there, Dave. Here, I'm gonna give you a little look here. Oop, I just moved something. Control Z that. Market's opening up here. Oh, there it is. I don't know why that's not on there. Shrink that a little bit. Whoa. Whoa, family. Apologize. We're having a little malfunction while the market's doing the thing. It's actually feeding right now as well. Not really interested in being a part of this much volume right now, so we'll just let it do its thing. Well, that's weird, but there you go. There's a time clock, Dave. Hope you can see it up there now. I'm trading my funded Lucid accounts. Let's go, D. Hope you make them happen. Feel that, brother. We bounce back. We bounce back. Feels terrible. I'm gonna be the first to say it. Feels absolutely fucking atrocious, but it's like I said, it's completely on me. There's nothing anyone did. Nobody takes the trades except me, and it just sucked. But we can bounce back. We will bounce back. Mostly, it's all about. This is what makes real profitable traders good, is how you actually respond to days like this. I mean, we're all gonna tilt. Like, that's just the inevitability of it all. But yeah, fucking does this suck? You know what I mean? Like, terrible. Market looks like it's starting to rip here, though. I mean, we had a nice sell reaction off the opening print price there. 930 candle came down, swept into the 210s from the 270s, so it was a 60-point sell, and then we reclaimed all of it back into the threes now. Want to see what happens possibly at VWAP. Feels still like a really good opportunity. 50%. It's also inside of this demand. This if you look at the volume profile over there, it's right in the middle of that. Good morning. Y'all know the week has been. Y'all, how's the week been? Had a few minutes to swing by. Sahabs, let's go, King. Welcome in. Yesterday, I was one $200 day from a big, thick, fat fucking payout, and I tilted all the way down to hitting max loss on the accounts, which was 2,000. So now the accounts are at 52,000 instead of a payout. I said I'm taking 2,000 and put it in the bank account. I lost 2,000 yesterday, so that's shitty, man. But it's just a normal day. You know what I mean? Hope you're doing well, Saab. You're doing the real work out there, getting it grinding, so it means a lot. Yo, there's 32 people watching already, family. Can we show some love? Smash the button. Get the love in here. Show us what's up. There's 32 people. We can already hit our stream goal. NASDAQ is looking very bullish coming up into this VWAP right now. We've all been there and we'll be there again. Unfortunately, I hope not to be for you. I hope not, but I know you're right, King. NASDAQ coming up into this spot here. Looks like VWAP's about to be found right now. Strong bounce off these 200s into the 340s. Market is absolutely feeding points right now. Absolutely feeding right now. Strong recovery looking like, though. It's tough to say. Obviously, we had a strong overnight selling, strong selling yesterday. Who knows where we are actually looking right now. If we get up above this VWAP, that'll be indicative of possibly overnight high, that daily opening print price, something like that. But right now, sellers in control. Pat, go ahead, chime in. I know we chatted, but mostly just for, I was mostly talking about when I'm in intra-trade, if you know what I mean. 10 more for that 20, family. Go ahead, brother.
No, all good, man. I'm just kind of trying to find a spot that I'm interested in. I really don't see anything. I have this fair value gap here at 402. We just tapped this other fair value gap down here at 214.
You like the VWAP short?
VWAP's a little under that zone. VWAP doesn't look bad for a short. I mean, we're definitely bearish on the 30-minute. So I'm definitely leaning sell side for today.
Yeah, I think so too. A little bit scary from the buyers because they just they do the thing lately, but we'll see. I'll turn my prop side on. Turn on this. 10 more for that 20, family. 10 likes away from our 20 like goal, family. There's 30 beautiful souls here. We should already have a 30 like stream smash. Got to play 9 holes after work yesterday. Shot a 41. 41. I would take that all day, Sab. I'm actually playing a 9-hole after work today myself, so I'll let you know how I shoot a 60, but it'll be fun regardless. Santi, good morning, King. Hope you're doing great. Hope you had a good night over on the Asia sessions. I'm looking for buyers above the 350s or shorts under the 3s. Decent analysis. I like that. I like that, D. Sellers starting to step in currently at the VWAP. Let's see what we can find. I mean, '60s look interesting. Morning, Tyler. Do you trade gold as well, brother? I do not typically. I usually only stick to NASDAQ. I like to kind of keep one instrument on the mind and stay consistent with that, but it's an option. I know a lot of my homies, Santi, work, they crush gold, so it's definitely, it moves, and if you can get, same thing like I preach, whatever you do, do it consistently. So if you're consistently watching something, especially like something like a metals, the index, whatever it is, just whatever you're watching, keep watching it, and you'll start learning about how it moves, how it flows, and you can take advantage. The octagon being built on the White House, I'm bullish. It's a bullish signal, isn't it, Sahabs? We got a fucking American celebratory fucking, we had the war going on, but we're gonna have a fight at the White House. I don't really know. Not sure how to feel about it, but we are coming down into the 92s on oil, so that's selling off a bit. MNQ hasn't found VWAP, but NQ has. We're bouncing off this EMA. I'm expecting they'll get through this price this time. And we'll see what happens once they do. There's a nice strong bullish candle. Looks like the longs are trying right now. We'll see if they end up finding it or not. Strong rejection right below, honestly. Bulls came in to try to get a break above those 60s. Sellers get us held below VWAP. You end up taking that VWAP short, Pat?
No.
Asia was tough for me. Good trade ideas, bad hold and execution. Sitting negative 700 right now after recovering some. Santi, overall, it's not too bad, King. Do your best not to do what I did. Do not let yourself blow up. Fine, follow your fucking system, follow your DLL, take good setups. I know yesterday you were saying you're tilting a little bit too, and I feel like that's just because you were watching me tilt, honestly. So we're gonna get all that out of there. Is that because it moves in a different way? Yeah, they move a little bit different for sure, Elliot. Gold likes to kind of do like one zone taps. NASDAQ likes to like retest levels, something for a simple just difference. I love gold, very clean, easy to read most times. Exactly. See, very clean is what he's saying. It moves in straight lines instead of retesting so many different prices. NASDAQ likes to retest prices, but I like to use those retests as confirmation, so it's tricky. NASDAQ coming back up into the VWAP again here, finding a little bit of resistance. I kind of want to short at the VWAP right now, family. To be honest. I kind of want to take a little short right around these highs, these 350s. If we were close to our 15-minute range, I probably would. I'm going to be a little bit more patient, but I'm feeling like that's an opportunity. Buyers are looking decent, though. They did defend the 200 hold number. We obviously have been down a lot from our high, a couple days ago, but right now the sellers kind of feel like they're kind of stair-stepping us down lower. Obviously, we have a lot of levels to actually reach to the sell side, so anything could happen, but that's kind of what I'm seeing. I didn't even realize NQ and MNQ had different charts until you pointed that out then. Yes, sir. NQ and MQ, they are similar, very similar, but they do move a little bit different. And so it's nice. Like, that's what I'm saying. VWAP on NQ, MNQ hasn't even been loaded, hit yet. Glad I got the 47.50 payout. Just loaded back up. Let's fucking go, Dave. Proud of you. I got trade happy in pre-market and market open. I mean, you blew them when you only had 1,000 in drawdown, so it is what it is. But I'm glad you got paid, King. That's what it's about. NASDAQ is actually giving us some support at the VWAP right now. Do we get lower into those 300s? Let's find out here. We're getting closer to our 15-minute range. Max showing love. Pat showing love to Dave. I fucking love it, family. Strong trading, Dave. You got to deserve. You got to pay yourself when you get it, King. That's what we're here for. See money, take money. We bearish on all time frames, but 1 hour and daily and weekly, those three, we are still bullish. The only one I sell is on the 1 hour chart, become bearish. I'm looking for buys above the 350s with a break and retest above the 5-minute orb, or shorts under the 206s with a break and retest below the 5-minute. I like that. I like the analysis, D. You have a good if and then statements. Matrix, good morning, King. Welcome. Hope you're doing well, brother. Hope you're doing amazing things, my man. Sellers currently coming in to defend the VWAP. Again, I really did like those 60 areas for opportunity to the sell side. I didn't take it, obviously, just because it's pretty early and we're getting a lot of buying volume. But sellers do look decent here. Stuck below. The EMA hasn't exactly gotten much higher, but we did defend these 200s, so I'm going to be interested in coming back down here. The 15-minute range is still being developed. If we come back up into VWAP one more time, I'm still going to probably try it, depending on how we react down here. I don't mind it. $400 is not bad, Pat. It's an outside edge. I can see why you would like it. The only thing about shorts above that is that'd be a break and closure above VWAP, so it looks interesting for a sell side. Shorts are right now defending VWAP pretty aggressively, getting nearly back to that daily opening print price down there. Strong inversion off that VWAP so far. Small inversion off that VWAP right there. Yeah, looking like shorts will come. I smell a victory soon. Come on, Coop. I hope so, brother. We've come this far to come this far. If we don't make it over the finish, well, We know whose fault, and we can hang our head on it. My zone is the 350s to the 300s, so to be honest, I would look for a break and retest for the shorts on the 300s or the 5-minute orb. All right. Man, I really wanted that 60 position. It just was a little too intimidating. Our 15-minute range is almost in, though. I'm going to start drawing it preemptively here to see if we can find something. I would love a retest towards these previous 326s. Obviously, I don't think we're going to see VWAP again. It really does feel like the sellers want to take this thing to the lows. I kind of want to be a part of it. Obviously, I don't want to be the first one because the buyers are nasty sometimes, but I still like sellers a lot here. Morning, Saucy. Welcome in, King. Good luck. Stay safe out there, y'all. I'll catch you tomorrow. Appreciate you for being here, Sobs. Hopefully, it can give you some good news. Yo, there's 40 people watching, family. Show some love if we haven't yet. That means only 30 of you guys have to tap in to get our 30-like stream goal with 40 of you beautiful souls. So let's see if we can find it here. Battling back. Good morning. Good morning, Queen. Welcome in, Bella. Hope you're doing great. Hope you're having a happy, beautiful Thursday. 15-minute range is about to be set. We need to wait for this last closure here and see what happens. If we come back up in somewhere around this 50% of the range, these 280s, I don't mind. I like the 320s. A couple spots that I really like to see the seller try to defend. So we'll see if we can find it. NASDAQ now nearly tapping into the low of the 15-minute range there. I'd be surprised to see it perfectly defended here. Of course, anything could happen. Look at the 1 hour where the candle is right now. It's a double bottom. The 1 hour. I don't know if I see a double bottom, D. I'm not gonna lie. Wow, NASDAQ is just hunting for the lows of the 15-minute range off of getting rejection through a VWAP there. So any tap back into a normal price, I'd like to be a part of it. Looks like they're gonna take the liquidity right now, though. So there's a 15-minute range trade being broken through. Do we go find continuation now? It's hard saying. Dave, I don't think we have news today, do we? Not today. I haven't even looked on Forex, actually. I should have pulled that up. Always have the news up if you guys can. See the big folder events dropping, and I don't even have mine. No news that I saw. Okay, word. NASDAQ breaking through the bottom of the 15-minute range here. What's up, Pat? I don't want you silent over there, King.
Sorry?
Are you gonna trade?
Yeah, just a tiny scalp here on this funded account. I'm up $100. I'm just trying to be really smart about this, really low risk. Probably about to exit right now. I'm just looking for a really base hit. You know, I hate starting off a funded account and drawdown, but I'm break even on this, so.
I like that. Break even's no
Right.
problem. Let's fucking
I'm just
go,
gonna-
Brom. Grab your paycheck. I love seeing it. Absolutely love that shit. W Santi and for showing and Matrix for showing Brom some love. It's what it's about, family. Getting over that finish line, getting paid. Like I said, Dave, when you see money, take money, Kings. Short of 311 to previous low. 311 was a nice entry. I wanted to get into VWAP, but I didn't have the nuts to do it. Strong break at the bottom of the 15-minute range with some volume and a nice reaction from the buyers here. Could be interesting. Not going to be the first one to join these sellers right away, or not going to join the sellers right away as we're coming into a weird price. Buyers are actually trying to get some volume to reclaim the bottom of the 15-minute range. We could get a nice reversal here. I like that exit out of you, though, Pat. Let me know when you're in a trade, King. You ain't got to be silent over there.
Thanks, man. You're good, man. You were talking. I didn't want to interrupt you, but yeah, just a little scalp right there. I took off like $150 on the funded. Just pulled back a little bit of drawdown. So I'm just trying to crawl my way back to break even. I really don't want to be putting on size and blowing the funded. So I'm done with the funded. Now let's get aggressive on some emails.
What's that put your funded account at?
I was down like $600 from yesterday or something. 49,720. So I'm only, $280 under break even.
Word.
I'm probably just gonna base hit this thing to the buffer and then just take small payouts off of it.
Strong recovery, like I said. Volume came in through the bottom of the 15-minute range to break through, but sellers couldn't continue, which usually is my favorite sign of reversal. Whoever's getting filled there is probably higher time frame, has more liquidity. Now we're coming back up in towards these prices I was interested in. These 280s are a little interesting for a short continuation, 50% of the range, as well as a previous swing. If we had come up higher, I wouldn't mind a VWAP attempt again. A lot of things I'm looking at here, but anything could happen, family, so let's be patient. Does anybody know? I should have looked this up myself. I don't know if Belly, you're still here, if you can answer possibly. But I have $2,000 in these accounts. Is my DLL back still going to be 2,000, or is it going to be 1,000 for today? Because I thought it was 1,000 leading up to yesterday, ended up not being. So I'm just curious what I'm playing with right now. NASDAQ finding some pretty good support through the bottom of the 15-minute range. Does it show in their dashboard? It doesn't. It doesn't. I don't think so. Let me go do some research, but pretty sure it's not clear like that right off the top. Oh, such a gross day. Every time I see it, it's like, oh, how did I do that? Current level, daily loss limit, level 2, current level, next level available. So yes, my daily loss limit is $1,000. Got it. So it does show you. It does show you, Max. 1,000 beans. I got 1,000 beans to play with here, family. NASDAQ coming up into that swing price at those 280s like I was talking about. This is where I was interested in possibly being a seller. It's hard, though, with the volume that came through the bottom of the 50-minute range with a support from the buyers. So I think my next clean spot is going to, I want to say a VWAP try, though I feel like they may not get there if the sellers are really stepping in like this. Just like that. I heard it. I heard it. He's in. What are you in, King?
Just an eval. I'm shorting this to see continuation.
Okay.
Send it. Just an eval.
See the sellers get heavy here then, huh?
Yeah, if not, take a small loss, but it's alright. It counts up a little bit, so that's good. We only have 5 micron. We'll be trading my top step eval too. I like being on X again. I really like the X platform. It's just really clean. It's really easy for execution, and TradeAvate's great, but I just can't, I don't know, I can't chart as nicely on it. So kind of holding a little bit here. I don't like that.
Yeah, buyers are trying to defend these 200s. This 200 price is going to be interesting. Bottom of the 15-minute range as well, but I do think they're ready to break through here a little bit.
I was looking at the DOM. Santiago was helping me with order flow yesterday with supply and demand, and I didn't realize that you could just look at the DOM and just look at all the orders that are on there. So we have a lot of sell orders, like above the 250s to the 300s, heavy sell orders sitting there. So that's a good sign.
Buyers right now are looking a little bit just patient. They're trying to fight for price. I think sellers are still clean and clear, but the defense at the bottom of the 15-minute range again is interesting. Makes me think that we possibly could be going to see the top of the 15-minute range, which would be weird. Where did he say to go see that stuff? Elliot? Oh, I think he was talking to you, Pat. Where you were just talking about? He's talking about time.
You can see it on. Yeah, if you look at a DOM, all of these platforms have DOMs, and you can just look at the order flow on that. Filter size, there's more buyers and sellers. Yeah, I gotta filter it then. So I could be wrong. I'm still new at this, so correct me if I'm wrong. Stopped out here on the Z-Val, $500.
Stop filled.
So I guess I don't even know how to set buy and sell orders on TradeAvate. It's right clicks, Adam, right click and hit, or once you have your trade mode turned on, you can just left click and then hit sell 19 limit. Or so if I sell above the price, that's setting a sell limit. If I buy down here, it's setting a buy limit, and then those are your buy and sell orders. Or you can just mark it in. I don't recommend marketing it in, but it's an option. Yeah, I don't know. I think, oh yeah, my fault. So we left click, you can see sell 19. It's only if you're above price. Below price, I can hit buy 19 limit. And then, so you don't want to hit stops. Stops is like an media thing. And then you can mark it in with up here if you want to buy market, sell market with market orders. But I don't recommend those. My DOM's at 10. There's more buyers. More buyers, but sellers starting to defend a little bit here. Looking like they wanted to kind of come up into those 300s. Sellers trying to step in. I still like sellers a lot of these 340s if we get back up there again. I'm waiting for a break and retest above the 350s. To click above or below, yeah, you have to click above or below, sir. Strong reaction from the sellers to defend those threes right now. Fighting for price makes the buyers look a little bit more, you know, a little bit more confined, but they're still going for it. Orange folder in 7 minutes. Alrighty. Family, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm probably going to put my one trade for the day on at this 330s price, 340s price if we get a chance at it. If the buyers can get back up there. Right now, the sellers look like they're really defending down here. So I would have loved a little bit of a quicker push. Kind of with this structure, feels like they're trying to kind of add some extra buyings, or some sell orders, which is going to bring liquidity. Possibly could mean we get stopped out higher, but I don't know. We'll see what happens as this VWAP comes into play. Obviously, we've done a lot of selling yesterday. We're already down 1.3% or 1.2%. So you got to question how much more sell side's on the room, especially lately. It hasn't been playing through at all, but we'll see what happens this time. I'm in small risk, baby, waiting on that 5 minute to close. You're back in, Pat?
Yeah, on the eval. I'm trying it again. I want to see the sellers break the bottom. We'll see if we get it. Short in the bottom.
Almost made 1,500, but I didn't understand. Laughed my ass off, so down 1,200 in my drawdown. Good luck, brother. You got it, King. You're still learning. Go break even once you hit that 5 minute. I like it work. And sells at 952 gold. Let's go peek that, man. Nice entry. Beautiful entry work. I like that. Go find that VWAP. Find a break even. Beautiful trade. NASDAQ finding some more selling here. Looking like they're ready to break through the bottom of the 50-minute range again. Kind of inside the zone right now. Not really moving a lot. Keep us updated on that trade, Pat. Up 1K today, so only 700 from passing my first eval. Let's go, Elliot. Go free indicator. Add volume profile. RTH. So key, brother. I'm glad you find some value in that. Macaulay. I like a little volume profile over here as well on my 1 hour. Trying to push another couple hundreds, so tomorrow's very light. I believe in you. Waiting for my payout. Robert, let's go, King. That's what it's about. I wanted to short at my 54 zone. Sellers still defending this NASDAQ down here at these 200s, 230s. Buyers are trying to pick them up, but we're holding. Being patient, waiting for something nice and clear. Yo, there's 40 people watching, family. It means the most. It really does. If you guys haven't yet, try to show some love. Hit the love button. We are trying to hit our 30 like stream goal consistently, and I believe we can get there. If everyone watching right now just tapped in. Was approved quickly within minutes, but not yet in my plain account. Got my first $400 day after my payout. Stopped trading. Let's fucking go, Rob. Grab this first payout with Apex and then grab the winning day right behind it. It's what it's about. It's a great feeling. And hopefully you can get over that finish line. Man, did you take another trade yesterday? Oh, Robert, we took many trades yesterday, King. It wasn't good. Up 3.4 by 5. Done, bro. I love it, Macaulay. Good. Congrats, King. Great trading. Sellers still unable to break through these 230s right now. Buyers trying to defend. I think if we come back up in towards like these 280s, I might try it, but it's tough saying right now. I think we kind of want to sweep some of this liquidity. I really wouldn't mind a short at these 327s. Is kind of what I'm really liking right now, but of course, you never know. So see what the NASDAQ wants to do here if we can even get through this EMA. Buyers are trying to step in. It's going to look a little bit more bearish if they do come in and hold this. I still like sell side overall. Again, I'm probably going to put my account on the line here at this 360. Ooh, I like the 60 short a lot more, actually. It's so hard saying not knowing. Sorry, man. Just wait for the 1 to 2 good opportunities. That's all we can do. That's all we can do, Robert. Bounce back. It's the bounce back. It's the comeback story. Come on. Come on. Do you believe? Do you believe, sir? Do you believe you have what it takes? I believe I do. Can we find it? W Santi, for sure. For sure. Work always. The man, the myth, the dude. Buyers finally starting to defend a little bit higher, getting back to his 300 retest. We're now at 50% of the 15-minute range. This is an interesting spot where if sellers want to defend, I wouldn't be surprised if they step in heavy here. If they don't step in, I expect to possibly get our VWAP short retest test at these 28s. It's going to be a little intimidating to try that price. Kind of want to wait for like a 60s instead, but we'll see. If we get through the 60s, it makes me hard to even want to be a seller in the first place as well. So this is a break and reclaim trade playing out though. Broke through the bottom of the 15-minute range with volume. Buyers immediately reclaimed it, and now we're heading towards the other side of the range. Makes the VWAP short a little scary. Resistance at the 300s. Where do we go from here? Buyers are really trying to step in. Can we get through it? On PA was short mostly, but can't ignore my overall market. So I'm not a fan of the current market. Has anyone tried funded futures family prop firm before? They have an 80% off and you can get 550K evals for 125. No activation fee. Anyone tried it? I have not, K. If we come back at VWAP, more bull to me is hard to say. Yeah, I'm going to put my stop loss 1% just so can't take profit in case we reverse. I like that. Hey, brother, hope all is well. Doing all right, Andrew. Hope you're doing well too, King. We're doing all right. We're breathing. Life's more than just trading, you know what I'm saying? So we'll be all right. I haven't tried. I tried it. I hate funded futures. Ooh, there we go. We know they don't got it. Oh, they got a DLL. Lucid, Tradify, TPT, Apex. Those are the goats. Stick with those for sure, for sure. Sellers came in to defend those 300s again, family. Makes me more interested in trying a short at these 238s if we get there. It's hard because I still feel like there's liquidity up above to go grab, but I think I'm willing to put a try on at these 280s this time. Depending on how we get there. If we get a retest towards this 50% of the range, we're getting defense. I still want to possibly see this VWAP to 328 short, but a little intimidating. It's a little tiny bit intimidating there. Sellers trying it. Iran news. Iran allowed IAEA to inspect the nuclear plant June 1st to 3rd. The region will never be stable unless Israel withdraws from occupied areas in Lebanon. Estimates of Iran's enriched uranium stocks up to June 13th are unchanged from previous reports. Interesting. Interesting, Santi. Appreciate the info as always, King. I'm going to go short at the 300s, but don't regret going for it now. Yeah, you never know. It's hard saying not knowing. I'm still waiting for better prices. I think we're going to get a possible VWAP attempt. It's hard now, that second rejection at that price. I wouldn't really want to see us get all the way up there, but I do want to see these sellers continuing to defend this range. I like a 280, 290 short. Again, we're holding the bottom of the 15 without getting through it. Sellers are really stuck at these 230s, which is interesting. These 230s are a launch pad for these buyers right now. But if they're able to break through, where do we think we're going? 246 has been a strong 4-hour level. Yeah. ES is above VWAP. Whoa, interesting, Queen. Holy cow, yeah, look at the difference here. Does that mean NASDAQ's about to find some buying support down here? They're obviously trading very different. Very different. These 230s, 240s are so sticky. This 230 price exactly is like a launch pad right now for the buyers. Kind of want to try it. 50% love is level, door stacking, winning day, love, micro opening range. Why? Sellers trying to break through the bottom of the 15-minute range again. Trying to break through the bottom of this 15-minute range once again. Do they find it? Took some positions now. This is a $70 risk trade. Let's go, Wirt. Small risk, baby. Small risk. She gonna play out. Quick 700 if this plays out, brother. Calm for the week. Calm for the week. I love it. That's how we all should be. Could use some of that. I went from being up to a red day. Feels horrible, King. It's the worst feeling, Jose. But take a deep breath. Find good positions. Don't take anything that you wouldn't be proud of, and let it play out for you. NASDAQ trying to get through the bottom of this 15-minute range, finding some support. If we come back up in towards this VWAP would be my ideal situation. Obviously, having ES already up there is a little interesting. The sellers look like they want lower here, though. We had a lot of volume breaking through the bottom of the 15-minute range. Buyers try to come in and step through, but haven't gotten continuation. So where do they go? I'm not sure. Good morning, fam. Corey, welcome in, brother. Hope you're doing great, King. Happy Thursday. Happy day. Happy days. NASDAQ just selling right now. Weakness in the charts. We are 40 points from low a day here. Feels like we may get a break and run of it. We're already down 1.4% on the day. Another break of the 15-minute range. Do we get continuation here? There's nothing really telling me we're going to get a reversal. Santi, get in wherever you can. That 4 hour just closed, brother. Hey. He's trying to help us. Starting to get more volume printing down below now. Getting through these 200s is interesting. Buyers could step in at any moment. But it feels still like sellers are kind of taking this thing down right now. Here comes a possible low break, a low a day.
Back to break even on the evo.
Hell yeah, Pat. Oh, wait, that's from the 1500 yesterday, or what do you mean break even?
From the 1500 yesterday, I just lost $500. I'm back to break even. I'm just holding.
You got this, brother.
Can't take profit. I gotta let it hold. So just send it. Let that motherfucker ride.
What firms do you have accounts with, Tyler? Currently Apex and TPT, but I really like Lucid, Tradeify, Apex, TBT, and then Top Step is a good fifth. Do you need $200 winning day, or are you aiming for some big? I needed a $200 day yesterday to secure a fat payout. Now I have to make damage up. So I have to hit 1,000 today. 1,000. I have to make $2,200 to get over the buffer. So we'll try. We'll see what happens. NASDAQ officially snapping through the low of the 15-minute range there, through overnight low as well. Buyers trying to get a little reaction after taking through the 150s. If we retest the bottom of the 15, I'm probably going to try a short, honestly, depending on how we auction there. I like it to try to continue a little bit lower. We'll see, though. Could be a nice dump, just iffy with all the bounces. Don't rush. Exactly, Alien. I like that analysis, King. I like the sellers here, too. We just got to be patient, find something that makes sense. A lot of volume just came in there with 4,000 contracts to break through the range. Without continuation, possibly returning to the zone, but I actually am expecting a little bit of deeper selling here a little bit. Expecting a little bit of deeper selling here off that VWAP rejection initially. If we come back up into the bottom of the 15, I'm going to be in. Blue DLL twice, then got back, but wasted so much time and mental health. It's a terrible feeling. Terrible feeling, Alien. 6 more, Familia. 6 likes away from our 30 like stream goal, family. Can we find it? That means that there's only 6 out of the 41 people watching needs to hit it, and we'll crush our goal. And while we're looking for a 50-point move in the NASDAQ to make our $1,000 for the day is what we're looking for. NASDAQ getting a lot of continuation through that candle, or a lot of volume, no clear continuation off the top. A retest of the bottom of the 15 could be interesting with a 200 short. Because of how much battle we had at these 230s, I would be interested in being a short there, possibly, but I think the 200s is really going to be the cleaner short. Smash that like button. Come on, break it. Destroy that thing. Yep, so that was our volume candle. Buyers trying to defend it. Coming up into the EMA now will be pretty interesting for the sell side. I think I'm going to like it, especially if we come back in towards like these 209s, 200s. The 200 level for me is going to be a decent spot to try. Don't love shorting so deep in the zone, but I think it's decent. I'm done for the day. Caught that short. Let's go, Matrix. That Doji Santi on that 1 minute show in. Come on. I'm giving a retest a try and a small looking for a violent flush. I like that. I want the same, Corey. Nasdaq trying to get up through this EMA now. This is going to be the spot here at these 190s. 199 was an EMA tap.
Order filled.
I feel like they're going to auction a little bit more before breaking through. I think we're going to auction a tiny bit more and retest those 230s, which was a big spot. Here's an EMA tap. My chart froze.
Dumb.
What's that, Pat?
God, dumb.
Get down there, girl. That was the bottom of the 15-minute range. Retry. Nice. Buyers are trying to defend the bottom of the 15. Sellers are also present. We're coming into this EMA now. Who's going to win here? I don't love how many contracts were here on this fucking 1006 candle, and volume wasn't able to push through lower, making me think that we could possibly return into the zone a little bit deeper than I would like. And we'll see if the buyers are going to respond to that or not. Obviously, the bottom of the 15-minute range is being the obstacle here. There's an attempt.
Come on.
You short right now, Pat?
Yeah. Break even. God, dude. Fuck.
Deep breaths, brother. Take the patience. I know earlier you said you wanted to just wait for a couple good positions, so dial in on that. All right. Alrighty, let's hit 45 likes today. Sausadelic says it. If the Sausadelic says it, then we got to find it, right? Surely. I'm still pretty sell biased right now. I think I could catch a buy volume push if I wanted to catch a little counter trade. But I'm still kind of seller heavy if we get up in towards this VWAP spot. I really like that candle closure from the buyers. Coming up into these 250s. Interesting recovery out of the longs. Interesting recovery coming out of these longs here. Wow, look at this V recovery, family.
Wow.
We're up 100 points in 2 minutes. Getting closer to this 50% of the range. I think at this point, I would definitely wait for a VWAP test and tap. We did get a 15-minute range reclaim, though, so it's going to be it's going to be a little hard to short this VWAP, but I'm still going to do it just for a couple reasons. I don't love this V recovery right now, but 50% of the range that we're coming into, these 275s. We retest these 230s. I'm going to be interested in trying to be a long, and that could be our trade up into VWAP. If we go tag VWAP right away, that's going to be my short. So I'm either long off these 31s, or I'm going to be short off the 320s. And those are what we're looking at, family. Those are what we're looking at. We're either going to be long off these 31s or short off those 220s, so. A little bit of resistance here at these 60s. going to try to be a buyer at this EMA. Kind of rejected us pretty quickly there. This is pretty interesting with the bullish pressure that just came in right now. I don't really love this short order here if we don't get a fill immediately. I'd want to be tapped on this price quickly and then see the buyers defend it. We'll see. Ouch, we'll come back to even now. Try again at the 300, 320s. Could go for liquidity on the wicks and complete the channel if you still want to short. Wait for it to take out the 1 to 2 times and then reverse and break the structure aggressively on small time frame. That's where I was trying to. If I get into this tap this long, I want to see us try to go target those wicks. If I don't get the long I fill, then that'll be that. 43 more points tie for that TP. Let's fucking go. Come on, work. You're finding it, King. I believe. I want to be a buyer at these 30s, but if the market doesn't tap me in off this next candle and the EMA continues to push through my price, I'm going to take my order off and I'm just going to short up at this VWAP. Is kind of more my other option. I would have wanted to have already been tapped into this off that initial try down there. I think we're going to continue through. So if we break through this high and the EMA continues to curl, which it looks like it is with a closure, I'm going to just take this order off. Yeah, I'm taking that order off and I'm going to look now to be a seller. If we come up and through these wicks at these 320-ish price is kind of where I want to be a seller right now. It's a V recovery, so it's going to be a little intimidating, but I still believe in the sellers right now more. Of course, I still wouldn't mind buying that 230s price, but the way that the EMA is disrespecting it makes it hard. I'm up 400 in gold short and 5 lucid accounts. Let's go, D. Yeah, I tapped into buy liquidity under the pre-market low. Found a lot of large buyers, a lot of them. Makes it tough, makes it scary to be a seller at the moment. Strong reactions here. I'm going to do it. I'm going to sell the 319s right now and hope to see a push off of it.
I like 300.
You like a 300?
Yeah, like 306. Multiple wicks there.
Yeah, I want to see them get swept and then stuck in the zone at these 320s. I think I could even take some drawdown.
I don't know if we should fake these buyers though.
It is hard. We swept through low a day. There's no clear targets to the sell side anymore. It's fair.
Yeah.
A lot more targets to the buy side. Sellers are in control of the day, so I'm just have to assume that they're going to defend these bigger prices the same way that they weren't even able to defend earlier. I'm going to trust it. I'm going to trust the charts and trust it to play out. If I am wrong, I should be wrong pretty quickly. If we get a closure above VWAP, I'll be stopped out and try to save them, but we'll see what happens here. Straight up and down is not good to FOMO unless you have a no working strat. Wick and reverse and going light, waiting stop loss at wick, otherwise stay out for sure. Targeting 150. Shiro's in, looking for 150. Hope you hit your dollars, sir. VWAP could act as support, but on this trade, I'm watching to see how it reacts to the VWAP. If we push past heavy, lots of orders resting at the 490s. Interesting. Interessante, and we did have a downline trend. That's fair to say right there, Dave. Yeah, see, it's hard anticipating a buy reaction down here. These 300s are being sticky again. I have to assume we get a little break of it, but we'll see. 8 more for that 40 likes family. 8 away from our 40 like goal, family. That would be insane. There's 44 beautiful souls watching. I appreciate y'all for being here. I'm eyeing the 340 short, highest volume PNC, starting light at VWAP. Yeah, I don't mind a 340. I don't mind 340. I actually would really like a 360. It would kind of be like my ideal situation, but that would also be kind of hard to say. I'm sticking to it. I think if the buyers come in, they're going to try to come in pretty aggressively here, but I still like the sellers to try to defend this VWAP. Buyers really are defending this price. The more I look at it, the less I like these 320s. I kind of want to wait for the 360s. I just feel like if I wait for the 360s, it'd be hard to be a short anyways, and I'd rather see support at this VWAP for me to play into this position. But you don't like want for a big push. Usually scaling level you like. All right, brother, this is the bounce back. Stay composed when your order fills. Mean what you said in your latest video. That's it, baby. I love it, Saucy. Appreciate you, King. Just gonna let it play. Trust the system, trust the charts. It's not my favorite the way that we're auctioning here. I would have rather like a attempt towards these 60s, but I'm gonna let this ride. Right now, getting some that third resistance at those 300s though. Sellers really unable to get through there. Makes it a little bit more interesting. Would have rathered so much more if this came up and gave us our tap in. So much more would have liked that. This looks strong. It really does. We'll see. Ty, what accounts do you have? I still have these 19 Apex PAs, and I have 5 Take Profit Trader Pros right now. If you doubt, don't put a stop loss. Just wait for the market structure break after a fake out or two double tops. Just my preference when I'm not sure. No stops, yeah. Well, I only have $1,000 in drawdowns, so I have to kind of try to find it right away. But I want to see what happens over at that spot there. I'm also still kind of interested in being a buyer at these 30s, 50s. Like if we come down into these 30s, it's gonna be tempting to try it. Don't love the way that the seller just took this move. This is kind of what I would have expected to see if we tapped into VWAP. So the fact that they're defending the 3s is pretty nice. That means that they are resisting, but they're still there. Exactly. I'm watching my zones heavy and seeing if it gets invalidated, or once we approach it, my confluences are telling me the same thing. I bet money on the idea that start 5 macros, then I'll start like 5 macros, then I'll have more resting. Yeah, he rests his orders. I actually like that. I might take this order off. I would have already been tapped in, preferably. The fact that we just front ran me feels like if we get a nasty volume spike to give me a fill, it's not really what I'm looking for. I actually don't know if I like this order right now, family. It's hard saying, not knowing, but I really don't like it as much. The way that we just pushed off without getting a VWAP tap. 19 is crazy, OMD. The levels on this, what your max amount you will copy trade at once? Probably 20. Yeah, I'd probably stick to that. Def put a stop loss. Just a bunch of back and forth. Yeah, it's terrible right now, Queen. 5-minute doji. Going for 4K on gold. Do I like that? I'm going to do my best to hold on to the next session. Next session holding. Come on now. Come on, work. A lot of nowhere right now. NASDAQ unable to push through. Buyers still kind of just being stubborn in the zone. Sellers did get a push of low a day, and then they just kind of stuck inside of it. I want to see now at this VWAP the reaction. I'm not opposed to getting, if we get an immediate reaction, I'm just not going to be first anymore. So what I'm waiting for now is to tap into that VWAP, get a reaction, and then somewhat of a retest. Somewhat of a nice reaction I'll enter. But kind of like over here, right? So we got this VWAP of a tap, nice rejection, and then the seller started. And from here, if we get that same signal, same setup, I'll take it. But right now, I'm just going to be patient. I tapped sell liquidity above the recent wick, so it could be enough for down more. I kind of want to see a VWAP try. Yeah, I'm going to take the profit and leave one runner on a sell. I'm taking 5 out of the VWAP. We did leave a gap on the 5-minute. To the sell side, you mean, Queen? Something to target? Is that what you're talking about, Danny? Let's see if the buyers have it this time. They came in, tested the top of that trend line, looking for a VWAP break of these wicks. Where do we go? Again, I'm not going to front run VWAP this time. A bullish gap. Okay. I'm not going to front run it, but I am going to wait for the reaction. I still don't mind sellers here, but I want to see if it tries to play through for us. Wait, short queen, would you take an attempt at this VWAP? Here come the 300s again. Let's see it. Let's see if we try these 320s, 317 price. I want to see immediate tap and a reaction. Give us a chance to get in. I'm not going to be the first one here because we could take a little bit of drawdown. I'm going to try it. I like that. Said I'm not going to be first. I think I should be now. Let's watch. Let's watch, family. These 300s are very sticky. So it just intimidates me a little bit because if we get through that, it's going to be weird. I love that you trading gold now, D. The big dollars. The big monies. Let's see this reaction. There's an official VWAP tap. Did the buyers get through there a little bit? They get a closure through it.
Let's fucking go.
This is the reaction I wanted to watch.
Yo,
What's that,
Dave,
Ty?
my bad. I didn't even see your messages.
340 for a short.
Good morning, bro. I just blew 800. Oh, shit. Damn, Dave. Damn, Dave. But you got those accounts. Damn, for reals? What the f... Dave.
Buyers are really trying right now.
Dave.
It's kind of hard to fake buyers. I almost want to flip buys, but I'm trying not to flip my buys so much.
Yeah, don't flip buys. They're not getting as much volume through the VWAP as I want. If I would like to see if I was buying. If I was a buyer, I'd want to see a nice, strong close in through this level. Makes me think I could still try a short here. It does make the 60s and 40s feel fairly like an auction. We're getting a reaction. Not my favorite off the top. We're retesting this previous swing high where the sellers kind of got excited. The EMA not coming up in the VWAP is the only thing I don't love about it. I'd love to see that come up a little higher. So far, it's a pretty strong recovery though. Pretty strong recovery out of these buyers. See what happens at this. I do like a 350 short. I want to see an EMA interaction with the bottom of the VWAP. Is really what I'm waiting for. So if we can continue to auction and bring this up higher, that'll be an entry trade entry for me, but entry trigger. The long volume through the bottom of the 15-minute range to reclaim it is the only thing that's hard to not exactly fade right now. All right, there's a 320 try. Getting a reaction back at VWAP. Again, I would have loved this to be a little bit higher, this EMA. To be honest, I'm looking at NQ short at the moment. Orders fall off at 58s. Ooh. He said the number that I like, Santi. Look at my volume profile over here at these 60s. This is what I like a lot. Yeah, I'm going to try it.
350s are good.
I'm gonna try it myself, sir. We may not get there depending on this EMA. I think the 49s are even a little bit more fair to possibly grab. I like that, Pat.
I think hopefully they don't just stair step through the top of the range. There's a big spot at the 50s in the pond.
They just got to those 49s I liked. Sellers trying to step in. Still have a little bit more room to go into EMA. Not as much as I love. We'll see. Being patient here. It looks so bullish. Look at ES go. It looks so bullish.
Yeah.
ES does, and so does NASDAQ starting to turn around. Yeah, ES does look way more bullish. Up at high a day, actually.
It's a loss.
I don't think so yet, King. I like a short here.
I'm gonna stop out at like this.
Only thing that's scary about this spot is so hot up here. The only thing that makes this spot scary is that if we do end up breaking through our level, it's just gonna rip through our level. So we'll see. I'll more. Come on, girl. You can do it. Starting in my short now. I'm trying to get up there, Corey. I'm trying to get in with you. Got a better chance to wait for fake outs. Exactly. I'm still looking for longs on NQ above 354 is 5-minute orb. 350 is 1 hour high heavy zone. You put me on free method. Thanks, bro. Let's go, family. Sharing ideas. Here comes the EMA now interacting with the VWAP. This is our chance. Are we going to get tapped in? Give me a try at the top of the 15-minute range up there. Go get me in. Come on, NASDAQ. Get me in there.
I do like the way it's auctioning right here. It is, they are buying a tiny bit. It's not just total buyers.
Data new just came out at 10:30, did it? I would have loved that reaction at that 58 zone. Having it now makes me think I may not get my fill. Buyers feel like they might even want the 400s here, honestly.
Yeah. If we don't get any respect here, I think we could see higher prices.
See, this is the reaction I wanted. 8 points higher, NASDAQ. Not getting it, though. We're not getting it, though. I don't know if I still want to leave my order on now off of that candle, the reaction that we're getting here.
If sellers don't step this thing down, if we don't see some selling coming in, then I'll take your order off. I think we're just going to stair step this to like 400%.
Gas, got you, Santi. DXY telling me I can for real just sleep and forget about it. Natural gas change, BCF, actual 95 billion, forecast was 99 billion. Crazy. Pat, tell me you're in a short, my boy. Did you get he is, he got tapped in. Volume is going down, but can still make 1 to 2 fake outs higher. It's just an indication that buyers are getting exhausted. Come on, break that BBNW, that EMA, break VWAP up and pay us. Get in there. Yeah, I'm not even in it, unfortunately. I was looking for a break of that 50s. I wanted to be in this push, but of course, I went for the outside edge.
I don't like it. I mean, it's moving a little bit, but I don't know. All that buying coming in is making me go.
300s, buyers could decide to step in for sure here. But I also like to go hard. It barely broke through the VWAP. .30 points trim. Keep going. Keep going. Get down there. Pay that man. Shorts not too bad. I don't like it. What are you seeing? 25.75 though. I still love the shorts, baby. Let's go. After 294, Pat. My next zone is 156, so this is the battle spot. Yeah, those 240s, 250s, or 156. You said crazy. Even number. If it can't reach the high, you can go in when it breaks the low of that last up move. Wait for a retest, put in stop loss above the highs. EMA came up into VWAP, gave a rejection at those 40s where we had this previous swing spot, and now the NASDAQ is trying to find some support through this VWAP. If we do, I imagine we may just go break through the top of the 15-minute range. If not, then the sellers are just going to keep acting heavy here. It's tough saying, not knowing. Wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of buying volume try out of them, though. I feel like we're selling though. I think it's going to turn over. It's just going to have to come up and sweep through this liquidity first is what I think. And then after that happens, it actually looks so bullish it's hard to even join it. So it's like... I wanted a 300 buy. I just didn't have the gumption to do it. How could ya? How could ya anyways? Jenny! Jenny! Ride it like a pimp, Dean. Come on. Come on, work. Here come these 50s again. Buyers trying one more time. Getting support through this VWAP.
Not a great 5-minute candle. I think we're going to see higher prices here.
Yeah, it feels like they at least want to go try the top of the 15-minute range after breaking through the bottom of it. Finding support at this VWAP makes me think possibly, but they are still getting that rejection again at those 340s for a second time. So if the sellers can come in and go retest those 300s and get a breakthrough, it looks selling. But if the buyers are able to just keep defending, then we could just stay in the zone. It's hard saying, not knowing right now. Patience is going to be the play. Those 40s are acting pretty sticky though. Sellers coming back in heavy now. Getting an EMA still acting at the VWAP. Again, these 300s, we got to get through here with a closure. And then for me, if we get a closure and then a retest, I'll take a short. Right now, though, we're forming a pretty nice bull flag. We could easily find some gumption at these 300s if we can't get through it. If it is now closed again below with a lower wick, you can try stab, stop pocket above. They are moving big orders around. Look at the Dom, they're moving big orders around. What's it saying right now, Ken? What you reading? What you seeing?
$500 lot at 330. 517, 320.
This is either all a fake out, but that's why stop loss above these wicks are fine, or we get a big move down.
600 buyer at 315. And 810 at 310. There's a big buyer sitting at 310.
He just got filled then. Yeah, these 300s are just a little too sticky. I want to short, but the 300s are just so supported that it's scary to even try to break through there. Unless we break through the threes and then retest, I'll be willing to be a seller, but the way that it's being a floor right now is tough to do. Shorting NQ means you want gold to pump up. No. Also, if gold shorts, if gold is short right now, that means we need NQ to rip. Okay, so work. To be honest, I think up. I think up too, to be honest, Santi. It's honestly what I'm reading right now. Do we need a good bearish candle close? I'd try it. I got a 10 filter volume on. I like longs more. No, we're trying to defend these 300s.
Yeah, me too, Corey.
Got to teach us your gold ways, D. I got torn up on GC. GC. Our 60s had no orders. Now they're at 100 sitting there, and under the 300 they moved a bunch of orders up. Interesting. We got a 290, so we did get a break of those threes there. I'm almost willing to be a long down here, family. Almost willing to just try a long down here at this VWAP. Now we've gotten through it with another closure. If we get another closure like that, I'm going to try a long. It's not my favorite setup, but we have easy liquidity above. I want to see the top of the 15-minute range get tried. The fact that I have the 300s defending me, that's going to be my immediate stop loss, so we're going to go for it. I'm gonna buy these 305s, and we're gonna hope to be a buyer.
Order filled.
Want to see if we can get support back above that VWAP.
May the best man win.
You're short right now, Pat, still?
Yeah, I'm still short for 340.
Okay.
It's been respecting my price, but that doesn't mean it's going to.
No, it has been nicely, yeah. These 300s are just so sticky, it's hard to assume that we don't break through. We found a little bit of support there, but obviously we could snap through it. If we can't get back above VWAP, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to be wrong, so.
Well, hopefully, this is an eval, so hopefully I'm wrong. Hopefully buyers come in.
I appreciate you, brother. I hope you do well, though. If we get above the VWAP, it doesn't look terrible. Sellers are trying to hold these 300s. Buyers are trying to defend the 3s at this VWAP is everything. I mean, this is the line in the sand here. We're looking for a top of the 15-minute range with the 355s. We'll see if we can find it.
Man, I'm up
We may take the
1,100
drawdown, who
today
knows?
on 5 funded accounts. Yes, these are my funded accounts. These are the accounts I made 10,000
It's gonna
on.
take some buying to
So
get up.
after
so.
this day, I need 4 more days. But yup, this is gold too. I'm trading gold. Let's go. I'm 1,000 up on gold. That's crazy. Look, gotta teach us your
I
gold
like the
ways,
reaction. If we get a
Deontay.
closure there, it's not
I get torn
terrible.
up on gold. Man, gold is not easy to trade. Look at this. Look at
Bullish
this.
candle. Can we get a closure up
And
around
I'm
those
taking a
30,
trade
40?
on
This has been a
NASDAQ. I'm
sticky
just waiting
spot.
for the setup to appear. My setup is a close above and a retest above this 3350 zone. So, yep, I'm looking for longs today. And yep, I'm already up on gold 1,000, and I'm gonna just let this run.
Buyers
You
don't
see, my
look
targets are
terrible
down here, so about right here is $4,000. Let's go.
Get through those 40s.
Let's
please.
go,
Those are
chat.
The only spot that's sticky. These 20s are a big liquidity level as well. Obviously wouldn't mind putting break even on, but as we're just battling at this level, I can't really do it. I don't want to see the 300 get tried again, but I think we could potentially. So if I want to leave this to try to play through correctly, just got to be patient here. Got to see if we can get a closure above these 30s, 40s. Still, sellers acting pretty sticky at these spots. Just looking for a test at the top of the 15. I love that my order, my 54 exit, which would be our day that we're looking for, is inside of the wick. So it's not even a terrible spot. Just got to see if we get it found, though. I want to see these buyers try to come in and defend us. Those 40s, man, are so sticky, though. So incredibly sticky at those 40s. Come on, NASDAQ. Give us a wick here.
Break even if it retests, dude. You can re-enter. You don't have to take a loss on it.
Barcoding is rough. This barcoding is rough right now. Those 30s are so sticky.
Yeah, I gotta shut up. Sorry, Santi.
Man.
It's not
I
a
was
bad
saying,
spot
not
to be
knowing.
in.
Let's fucking go! I'm up
Nothing,
1600.
man. I'm trying not to say too much. It's not a bad spot. We're in.
Let's
We're just
fucking
trying to
go!
So it could go.
Let's go!
I mean, I don't mind a break even at this point. We did get a break of the high, but it's just feeling like I'm gonna get tagged out before it plays.
What the
Holy
fuck?
I feel so weak. Like we're gonna go test those 300s one more time before going.
What the fuck? Let's go! Let's go!
Get fucking back in. There's our break even test. That's the last chance, really, from these buyers. My stops should be below this swing down here at the 89s. Feels like they're looking for lower here now, though. I don't like that we failed at VWAP, realistically. We're still trying to defend these threes. I just think it's because that's where buyers are going to be active or resting anyways. The sellers want to get this down here. They really could. We can't... Fucking failure at VWAP is wild, man. At this point, I'm break even. There's no reason we retest this price again without finding higher. That was the last retest I wanted to see of those threes. We really shouldn't find it again if we don't print higher this time. These 30s, 40s, we got to start breaking through there. It's looking decent, but man, this back and forth whiplashy shit is getting old. Forming a nice trend line here as well to break through. Buyers don't look terrible. They just got to get closure and continuation. Give me a bazooka up through that range. Break through those wicks. We're right above the wick, so our exit's a good spot. Come on, buyers.
Hey,
Find
Siri.
some orders here.
Call mom on speaker.
Calling mom on speaker.
Break through these 40s. Fucking hell, dude. Go, NASDAQ. You're fucking boring. Stop holding this price.
Mom, I'm up 2,000 in the trade on gold on my 500
Like,
account.
go do it.
I've never been up on
Gotta get
gold
through
like
these 30s,
this
40s.
before.
That's the biggest level
Gold
here.
is the hardest thing to trade. Mom, there's
Without
people
doing
coming
that,
me.
we're just gonna keep
Damn,
chopping
Dion,
this
I put it in
VWAP,
the
and we could
video,
honestly
Mom.
come
It's that
retesting
much
300s
people.
again.
Damn,
I
Dion,
just
they
would
like
not
tagging
wanna
me.
see
Damn,
that
mind,
after
Deontay.
retesting multiple
Teach me your
times,
gold
man.
skills. I get wrecked.
Every
I'm
good
up
chemical
2,000
is
right
buyers
now
just
on
defend
gold.
it, so- or
I took
sellers.
the short. I took the short at
Feel like we get tagged out here.
let me see. I took it at 809,
Feel like
Mom,
we get tagged
and
out
I'm
this
still
play
in
here.
it.
fact that this is getting stampeded lower and lower is just so fucking annoying. They're flashing people out.
Stop field.
Insane. Absolutely insane.
Sorry, Ross. What kind of value I can offer? I did see a 339 flash there. 340s are obviously protected.
Order filled.
If you're interested in it, potentially a 335 short.
Yeah, like that.
Let's try to open.
Damn. Well, you got 4,000. You got a 4,700 payout, so that's good. You're not really losing that much. I'm gonna just hang up. I was on the phone with my mom. I just hung up. She was talking. She's at work, so she's busy anyways.
Dude, are you fucking kidding me, Nasdaq?
I'm just kind of chopping, dude. I don't really see anything.
The back and forth is just agony. Hold these 300s and push through the fucking VWAP. We're just auctioning below this previous swing high, and these wicks keep getting lower and lower. There's so much liquidity there. So many, like, it should go feed and find them. That wick nearly tapped out there. Can def break into a 2 trade while shot, brother. It's a good point, Thomas. Just feels like this isn't a chop. Like if you zoomed out and you look at my trade right now, or I'm in at the 295s looking for the 45s, tell me I'm not playing the range. Tell me it's not a fair thing to just look for this in one. Of course, we're just holding at VWAP, so it's hard to fucking really decide, but it feels like it's there. Like it feels like, you know, I'm playing a range and I should get fucking delivered, but it's just sitting in the zone, not playing to the other side of the outside. Like right now, why are we stuck at these 30s, bro? And we were just stuck at the 40s, then we were stuck at the 42, and then the 37, and then the 32, and now the fucking 30s. Like, break through that flag. Look at this downtrend. It's like too perfect. Look at this thing. 4 perfect touches on this outside edge. Why? And it feels like such a fair fucking exit. Looking for a break of this trend line to grab the top of this outside edge, grab our fucking 1,000 and be done. But we're chopping in this zone like a mofo. 300s are the spot, and then this keeps getting lowered and lowered and lowered. Look at the EMA. Look what the EMA is doing with the VWAP. Just back and forth.
You're just kind of flat on my screen. Legit. Just straight flat.
Go break through that trend line. Go break through that trend line, and it will look so nice. I've lowered my entry, so my exit's even higher, or lower. Not having to break through the top of the 15 anymore, essentially. Just gonna come right.
Yeah, dude, you could.
Jesus.
The range is definitely playing out, dude. You could definitely play the range. I wouldn't look for as high of TV, like more like 330s, like random 330s. Possibly.
gross. That's a gross price action. Like, I don't even care. Look at that fucking flag.
Yeah, Tim's right. It's just kind of like in a range,
Order filled.
slowly chopping down.
What big people are stuck on these orders keeping this price right here like this? Crazy. Because the top of the range isn't even clear, except for what I'm looking for. I guess I am looking for really the outside edge of it, but this top of the range keeps getting reduced. The bottom of the range is obvious at the 300s. The top of it is,
Yeah, I agree. The bottom of the range is getting slightly reduced. Or the top of it.
So what do I exit here? Assuming we're gonna get a new fucking reload of it. I do, right?
I think pretty.
Fucking cool.
I think pretty soon we're gonna get one pretty heavy buyer come in here and pop this. See our prices. Nice, D.
Oh my fucking word, NASDAQ. Get a closure through this trend line, please, and go break through that high. It is such
Thank
a
you
fair
for,
range,
thank you,
range
Dave,
trade.
man.
Top of the
I still
15
need to get the
so many
payout though.
levels
Still
up there,
4
liquidity
days.
up there. Why are we getting slammed?
I still got to get
Crazy.
through the days.
It makes me think, even if I am going to be right, it's going to take so long for it to play through. And if I close right now, we don't even give me another entry opportunity. It just goes.
We could see 340 here if you want to be there.
These last 10 points feel like it's going to be pulling teeth. Ha ha ha. Truly not, right? Surely fucking not, right? 43.50 just now.
Just be patient, man. It looks like it's gonna play out for you.
Surely not, right, family?
Big buyer just came in.
It's a nice wick. I like that wick a lot.
There's
That
the
should be enough to
thousands.
go get paid. That wick right there should be enough to go get paid.
The 1,000 lots. at
Order
310.
filled.
Alright, we did it.
Let's go. I took one trade today, guys, and I'm up $3,000. Man, let's go, guys. I took one trade today, and I'm up $3,000. Look at that. On 5 accounts on gold. On gold. Come on now, bro. This is crazy. Look at that. Everyone, they can't even believe it. Look, dude, this is wild. That's gold for you. Look, y'all printing, man. I'm printing paper right now. Look at that. And I'm letting it run all day. I got therapy at 1. Physical therapy. I'm going to just go there and then come back and see what's up. But yep, I'm letting this run. And look what time I got in this trade. I got in this trade at 8:09.
It's not over.
It's 8:58, and I'm printing money. I'm at $3,000.
I haven't even been able to trade those.
Let's
it's already
go.
11 o'clock, so we're gonna
I need 4K for the max payout, which is 10K, which comes from each account, 2K from each account. Let's go.
Yeah, the small one on the front end.
Trade today, and I'm up $3,000. Look at that, on 5 accounts on gold.
Yeah, good day so far. Nice win, dude.
Look at that. Everyone, they can't even believe it. Look, dude, this is
Appreciate you guys stopping
wild.
by. It means the
That's
most
good
to me.
for
Appreciate
you.
people watching. If you haven't yet, on your way out, just hit the love button, subscribe, join this family, hop. Surely not, right? Surely fucking not, right? 43.50 just now.
It's 8:58, and I'm printing money. I'm at $3,000. Let's go.
Just be patient, man. It looks like it's gonna play out for you.
Surely not, right, family?
Today, and I'm up $3,000. Look at that, on 5 accounts on gold. On gold. Come on now, bro. This is crazy. Look at that. Everyone, they can't even believe it. Look, dude, this is wild. That's gold for you.
Nice wick. I like that wick a lot.
Y'all
That should be enough to go get paid. That wick right there should be enough to go get paid.
1,000 lots.
Order filled.
Alright, we did it. I love having the community build, and we get to keep talking to each other, help each other, get better together. And so that's what it's all about, family. And tomorrow's Friday. We'll be back doing it again as a family, so we'll see what happens. For now, though, drink some sun, get some water, hug somebody you love, and we'll be back to market close for the end of the week. All right? I love you guys. Peace, family.
Yo, Dave, I wasn't thinking about it when you were down there on gold. So you had to make at least 450 or 150 for 4 days. So so there you can't close. No, I'm not gonna close though. I'm trying to get past 4,000, son. If I could get my buffer like 5,000, 7,000, dude, I don't even have to worry about shit. That's what I'm planning to do. I'm planning to get it to where I do not have to worry. And I want to get in this long. On NASDAQ. I'm waiting for a retest of right here. Come on, bro. Come down. Give me that retest. Come on, give me a retest. Come on, give me a retest, NASDAQ. I might get out of this.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Well, I'm out at gold. Good job. 27 Better than 17 to be at. Yeah, I'm not done trading, dude. I'm waiting for NASDAQ. I'm waiting for my zone. Let me see. Get rid of that shit. Pull this up. Pull this up. See where I'm waiting for a retest right here. And I'm going in. This is a good fucking trade. I see a fucking good trade coming. Dude, come down a little bit, please. I'm gonna risk 735 on this trade. For a new high. Come on, go down some more. Bro, was that the retest I missed? Please don't tell me I missed the retest.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in. Look at all these buyers. God damn. That was a good... I should have got in right here, though. Fuck. On the retest, I would have been up way more money. Now this is what I'm about to do. Should I move this for a free trade, guys? Dave, should I move this for a free trade? What do you think? You mean B? Break even? Yeah, that's what I mean. Break even. Should I put break even on? I'm already up 500. If we could get in this gap, look. If we could get in this gap, I'll put break even on. Dill, if we could get in this gap at least halfway, which is what, right here? What's halfway? Right here? If we could get near this, I'm putting break even on. That nigga said, go take a break. IRS is gonna get me, nigga. I'm printing too much money. Nigga, how the fuck I'm at 3,600? That's funny. Dude, I need $200 for a payout for a full $10,000 payout. I need $200 left, dude. Dude, if this goes all the way up and makes it like he's going up, dude, I'm gonna just probably let this run. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is nice. This is nice. I love this. Hey, he said break even for me, bro, but you still need 4 more days. Yeah, I know. I just like, I'm talking about for the max. The max is 4,000. So if you make 4,000, you already made the max because you can only take 2,000 out each account. So the max is 4,000. So if I'm like at 6,000 today and I size down the next 4 days and make 150, I already got my payout. That's what I'm saying. Like 4K right here, that's a max payout. Nice, Dave. He's break even. Dave's break even, guys. Dave's in with me, and he's break even. Let's go. He's in at 30. Yup. He's in right here. Let's go. Oh, wait. Oh, snap. My mom's calling. Hey, chat, we're at 4K. We're still in a trade. We have $4,000 a
Order filled. Order filled.
Shit, my mic was muted. I didn't know that. I'm eating French toast sticks and sausage, guys. I'm eating breakfast, watching Young Sheldon, and I'm letting this ride. I'm already up today. Let's get some more today. Yo, I'm back. Dave, you here? Anyone here? We still in the trade.
And I just want you to know that I am very well connected with the parents, so if I can be able to help there, please let me know.
Yeah, actually, I try not to get too close to the parents. I just think it's important for the kids to feel like I'm on their side.
Okay.
Oh, we could do a good cop, bad cop sort of thing.
Why am I the bad cop?
I don't have all the answers. Maybe you should ask God. Really looking forward to working with you.
We gotta break this high. Yeah, where are you talking to the other people at?
Wait a minute. I'm kind of busy. I'm inventing a system of heraldry.
What do you mean talking? Dave, what do you mean talking to the other people? I'm not talking at all. I'm watching TV. Is it the TV you hear?
What's it like to not believe in God?
If I was talking, it's because I was making a video on Snapchat. I make videos on Snapchat,
Never.
Discord, or TikTok. Oh no,
I don't know.
I make Snapchat videos of trading and stuff to get people like to join my Discord and stuff. That's all it was.
But doesn't it upset people when you say you don't leave?
Oh, yeah.
No, I thought you was talking to people earlier. Earlier.
I
Yeah, that I think you heard my. When I came to the computer, I was watching my videos on that I posted on Facebook earlier. So I think you heard me playing my videos. I wasn't talking to no one.
I spend a lot of money here, right?
You sure do.
So if my son-in-law was in here doing something stupid, I should know.
He does.
Before he went to the hospital, was he...
No, you're good, bro. What do you mean my bad? No, you good. Straight. You straight, dog.
Just hanging out.
You straight. I might move this up here, though.
Just watching too many soap operas, I guess. Let's just keep this between us, okay?
Sure.
The summer of play is at main event. New games.
I'm gonna put my break-even stop when we break this high. I'm gonna give it room, a little room, because this is the 5-minute chart. I'm gonna give it a little room.
This summer at Disneyland, kids rule.
I'm gonna let this one close at least, because this is the 5-minute chart, so I'm gonna give it a little room. Do you stream on Discord or only? I used to stream on Discord, but now I only do YouTube, because like a lot of people, I don't know, they don't like come in the mornings or they don't join, so I just felt like it was kind of pointless.
We should do that again.
Kids rule summer.
We got this high too.
At the happiest place on earth.
So we got this high, and then we got this high.
Biggest thing for sure, I just wanted to wear it off the court and feel like versatility.
Hello. Hey, George. It's Nick from the bar. What the hell are you asking questions about me at the bar?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Nick told me everything.
Well, clearly I was lying.
So I'm still in the trade. Look, hey, you see this, Dave? This is what I'm printing right now.
You end up in a bar with Brenda Sparks, and now you're both acting weird about it.
Story. We're two
These are the colors I got in there now, and this is what I'm printing.
That better be it.
Connie,
So I'm printing, that's it live, and I'm printing all these pieces right here. Every single one. There's 34 pieces. You see the foot? That's how the foot is. It's gonna be a 4 feet.
That, I'm very sorry.
Look, see?
Nick for blabbing about it.
This is gonna be 4 feet. Look what it is.
Sorry.
It's gonna look like this tall.
We good?
We're good.
I'm making that one, and then what is this one?
Nice.
Oh, that's sick. I might make that one next.
I'm not going. What do you mean you're not going? I don't think I
How long to print all that? Look, to print all that, if you go here and go to all plate stats, look right here. I already did 1, 2, 3, so I'm on this one right here, 6 hours. But this is all standard. You see 5? This is all standard. If I go to my device, look, I have ludicrous mode. So look, standard, Sport. Look, watch. You see how it's 2 hours and 1 minute? Look, if I put it on standard, look what it goes to. It's gonna be like 3 hours or 4 hours. Watch.
I guess then everyone knows what this is.
The Bible.
That's right. What else is it? The Word of God. Excellent. Excellent. You know what else it is?
Look, watch. It's just a loading. It's updating. So I let it update. But look, I'm gonna do this one. Look.
Good book. Got a lot of great stories, instructions on how to live life, but God is.
I'm gonna do this. I want to do this one. Scooby Doo.
God is real. God is everywhere. And God loves.
Alright, I want the ray gun too. I want to do the ray gun.
It's pretty, but it's private. So, what's up?
Don't freak out.
And then I want this one for sure. I want Groot. I love Groot. No homo.
I hope so.
And then look at this. I can do a life size.
Okay, you stay home.
Well, I mean, it's right here.
Life size Goku.
Who am I gonna meet sitting at home?
Well, man, Plumber? I've seen a movie where the pizza delivery boy just picked you up.
Yeah, the one I'm doing right now. Look how much plastic it's 7,500 grams. So 1,000 grams is 1 kilogram. So this is 7 kilograms. So this is basically 7 rolls. So I just bought. I have. Let me see how many rolls I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 15 rolls left of filament, so I have enough to make all this.
Yes? I usually am.
You can't just believe something because people say it's true. You have to question it.
So look how long it's gonna take. See? 3 hours and 20 minutes now without ludicrous mode. So if I put it back on ludicrous mode, it goes super fast.
I'm just asking you to think about what you believe. Sounds like you're already doing that.
Dude, I started this at 4 a.m. this morning.
Billy Sparks, 6th grade, also plays baseball, but maybe not as good as her. No.
And then Pastor Rob, well, it doesn't matter if I believe in God, because God believes in me.
I said the same thing.
Not like he did. Well, I told him religion isn't objective and there's no proof for it.
Oh, I bet he didn't like that.
He loved it. He quoted Kierkegaard and said if you could prove it, there'd be no room for faith.
Well, good for him.
He also likes homework. He even threw the Bible on the floor.
It's going so fast you can't even see it.
When you were married, would you have said that Herschel was your best friend?
What married person would say that?
Well, Buddy Wayne.
Does his buddy of yours have kids?
No.
Then what the hell does he know?
He's a very happy guy. It's exhausting. I should be going.
Okay. You want to take a
Dave, are you still here?
Would you look at me go?
After we, if this close above this one at least,
Energy of an object can be measured in
I'm putting break even on.
Human potential remains more elusive. Sometimes People seem to have all the potential in the world, but for some reason stay stuck to the ground.
Why are you wasting your time here when you could be doing science?
I told you. I'm happy here.
How could you be happy? You have a doctorate in physics and you're sticking labels to a case of beans.
I had to work here a month before they let me use this thing. And yet, I could go buy a real gun on my lunch break. Ha! Texas,
But don't you miss trying to unlock the secrets of the universe?
Yeah, Dave, I'ma just. So you still got the 4K though. So I mean, you're up what, $2,800, $3,000. So that's still good, bro. Dude, cause what I do is when I get a payout, I buy more accounts. So it doesn't matter, bro. That Dave, that's how you trade. You get better by having the more accounts you have, the more times you take trades, the more days you're in the market, helps you get more payouts in the future. Trust me. 45, 70 payouts, spend like 29 today on evals probably. So yeah, see, that's not bad. You're still above. You're down below 50%, but you still got a profit of 1,500 plus. So you still got money to go enjoy a burger or something like. I mean, and didn't you make 1,500? I think next time I get a payout, I'm gonna buy 5 and work on those. Yeah. Wait.
Let's see. There's a roundabout.
Oh, that's better. That's better. That's better. That's better, dude. 4,570 and you spent 1,900. So you're above 50%, dude. If I was you, I'll go to fucking get some good ass dinner today, dude. And then wait, so the new accounts you bought, didn't you make 1,500 on this same long? Didn't you take this long too and you made 1,500 or what?
I am capable of being a decent husband. Oh, of course you are.
Yeah, 1,500 on all 5 evals on that long you called out. Yup. See, guys, he's back. He's back. You guys see? Look, let me pop out the chat, man. He's back. Look, YouTube, he's back. You guys see that? He was down. He got a payout. Shout out to Dave, man. He texts me every day asking me for my charts and stuff, dude. Sometimes, like, he started. It's just normal that I send it to him. I don't even fucking wait for the text anymore. But yup, shout out to Dave. He got a payout of 4,900 right here. 4,500. He spent 1,940 back on evals and he made 1,500 on these accounts that he got today. So he needs one more day to pass for another pass to another payout. Man, let's fucking go, Dave. Everyone fucking leave a like in the stream for that, man. How much likes are we at? I don't even, dude, I never looked at the likes in my life. I don't even know how to look at my settings.
Why are you in my car?
Mom's waiting outside to send an angry squirrel for the sick shelter.
What do you want?
I don't even know what to go to look at it. Fuck. But anyways.
Yes.
Good. I spread it heavily at the top of the list.
Man.
Please, he won't listen to me. I'm hoping you.
Yo, Dave, does it show how many likes I got? How do I even look at that?
That's exactly right.
Excellent.
So will you talk to him?
Look, if he doesn't want to come back, I
What
certainly
the
can't force him.
But he's wasting his potential.
I'm just curious if I were to come back. Should spend more time with him than there.
Oh, I guess I could just watch the video. I got 2 likes. Let's fucking go, bro. We got 2. I guess I could just watch the video. I got 2 likes. Oh, no, let me mute that. I don't want you guys to hear me. Myself. Not sure how you look, though. Oh, yeah, I'm not used to YouTube. I'm used to Kick and stuff, but I just brought myself up.
Now I'm content just keeping these cucumbers crunchy. But exciting new things are happening.
Man, we letting this run all day.
Wasting years.
Y'all want to hear some music, man? Or what? Should I put some music in the background? Yeah, we're over 4K. I'm gonna take profits right here, dude. I'm gonna definitely take profits. You are disciplined to not look at 4K and take some off. Nah, bro, I fucked up. I should have took some last time. Nah, I mean, Bro, yeah, I am disciplined because look, what my mindset is now, since I seen this come down and we're going up, we're definitely making a new high. So we're going to break this no matter what, which we are going now. And what I'm thinking is if we're going to hit this, we might hit the zone of last week's high. And if we do and we break this high, then I'm taking 3 out. And then we might continue until the end of the day, all the way up here. If not, at 1, I have therapy at 140. So at like after therapy, I'm gonna look at it and take profits out or whatever I need to do. But thank you, bro. I mean, I learned was gonna tell you this. Yeah, I was gonna tell you earlier, but yeah, earlier I should have bought some, but now I'm gonna leave it since I know guaranteed. Since I'm guaranteed, I'm not like. How should I put this actually? Since I'll say 90%. I have a 90% guaranteed that this will break this high and go for this. If not, it's gonna probably do what it did right here and then go down, but it might make an M. You know what? A M? If it makes an M, it's gonna come down for low. But if it breaks that, which I'm waiting for, look, we have buyers stepping in too. Look at all this. So if we break that, I'm gonna take profits right here, 5, and that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that is, I'm taking half of 3,000, which is 1,500. I think. Pretty sure. Oh no. Wait. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That is 2,000. So I'll take 1,000 out.
What's wrong with you? He's dropping out of school. What? Oh, no, you're not.
For example, do you ever scab stop loss after first? Yeah. So what I do? What?
You can't live here.
Scab. Wait. You mean trail my stop? Do I ever trail after I take profits? Or what do you mean? So what happened is, say if this hits, what I do is I exit this and I put 5 here. So I'm not putting break even until I take my first profits. That's how I trade. Oh yeah, sometimes I trail if I need, like, if it's a Apex account, intraday. That's why I don't like intraday accounts though. Those are the days I trail. But say like right here, say this is my strategy, Dave. So and everyone watching with Dave, you guys see how I don't touch anything? My break even's not even on yet. So what I do is I wait for this to hit. If that hits, then that's a confirmation that I took profits for my ratio. That I'm already past the 2-to-1 ratio, by the way, because 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means I'll take profits right here. That's 2-to-1. So if I hit this, I'm exiting this and putting 5 right here. And then let's see what Dave. Let's see. Here, Dave. We're gonna read this on stream.
School's not gonna help with that. So you are fine with your grandson throwing his life.
Yeah, for example, once I got that first TP, I would trail stop. Oh, I see what you mean, bro. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, like what I do is if I get that, I just put it on break even.
Diploma would not have made his life better.
And sometimes I do lose, like I do lose money doing that. So it's probably better what you do. But I just got used to, like, the guy that I learned how to trade from, he said the best way to trade is to let you gotta believe and trust your trades. Don't touch anything, let it run, and then you'll see, like, success. And, like, that's how I try to trade. But sometimes it just don't work out like that. Sometimes I get nervous, take it out, or whatever. But I mean, today, since I'm already up, I was up 3,000. I'm gonna just let this, see if this hits. I'm only about 20 points away. So, gotta see if we can get that up there.
Anyone drop out, or do you need to be a certain age?
You are not dropping out of school.
Until you're 16, then they legally can't stop you. It's no.
This is exactly what I was afraid of.
What do you want me to do about it?
I would
So let's see if this hits. Dave, let's see if this hits.
Dale, it's for you.
What do you think? thinking I should have went home after your wife left.
Georgie's only got one more year of school, and then he can do whatever he wants.
Well, I don't want to come between you and your family. Too late.
Listen, I know you're upset, but the person you ought to be yelling at is Georgie, not us.
I yelled at him. It didn't help.
Is this helping?
A little, yes.
So I'm dating a dropout?
No, you're dating a guy with a full-time job.
And your parents are okay with this?
They'll come around. By the way, can I crash at your place?
No! My father already doesn't think you're good enough for me, and I don't want him to know he's right.
He's not right.
You might be a little right.
I thought you'd be more supportive.
And I thought we were going to be seniors together. Homecoming court, prom king and queen. Voted most likely to stay together forever.
We can still stay together.
They can't vote for you if you're not a senior. I don't think this is going to work out.
You're breaking up with me?
What other fun is? These are only accounts I have. I lost my take profit traders. So these are the only accounts, I think. Let me make sure.
Take me back.
No.
I think these are the only accounts I have.
Dr. Winkler, show them. I haven't heard back.
I have like 8 different prop firms I use, so I have to go through every password to see. But I'm pretty sure, see, I don't have nothing on here. These are my take profits. Apex, I know I don't have nothing on. Tradeify, I don't have nothing on. My Funded Future, I don't have nothing on. I don't know what the last one is.
But Vitacopa has 3.5 times the electrolytes versus the leading sports drink, and I feel my game with Vitacopa.
Wait, do I have something on this one? I have Alpha Futures. I forgot I have Alpha Futures. Let me see. Let me make sure I don't have no account on there.
It neutralizes bacteria.
I don't check my bank that much. Oh yeah, I don't have nothing on here either. What the fuck? How's this down here? Oh, it's delayed.
What does it all mean, John?
Maybe you should ask some of the whiskey drinking on the bench.
You worked your whole life. It all seems so important at the time. What is it?
That's a good question. Puts me in mind of Camus' The Myth of...
Yeah, I used to have an Alpha account. I lost it.
Sisyphus.
That's the guy. Every day, roll the rock up the mountain, and every day, roll back down.
That's what it seems like. But you escaped. You stopped rolling that rock.
Well, that's what I thought. But every single bag of groceries I fill, there's another one right behind it.
Bro, come on. Let this profit hit.
We sing.
What do we sing?
When you're
We're 20 points away.
work and you're too young to die, who will take care of you? How will you get by when you're too old to work? When you're too young to die?
I don't think I know that one.
You know Lollipop?
Lollipop, lollipop, ooh, lollipop, lollipop,
Lollipop, oh lolly, lollipop, 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 oh lolly, lollipop.
Bum, bum.
Should I just take profits here?
I bet those ones just dropped out of hospital too.
Sorry, I got riled up. Don't worry about it.
Mary's over here all the time yelling about something. A pleasant change of pace.
What are you doing here? What are you doing?
I'll do that.
I was hoping to stay here tonight. Well, you can't.
This ain't your house.
Ain't yours either.
It's my house, and I get to say who stays and who goes.
Yeah, well, I'll be going.
Well, you're saying.
You can go.
How come Sheldon doesn't help with the dishes? When you do their taxes, I'll do the dishes.
If you don't like washing dishes, that is a good reason to stay in school and get your...
I already got a payout with...
High school diploma.
Wait, you talking about my first one on these accounts or my first payout? I already got a payout with,
Stay in school. You
I made 10,000 with them.
Well, I understand why someone like Georgie would run to work, but if you drop out
I think this is gonna.
why? Historically, women in the workplace have been undervalued. You don't want to make it easier for people to do that to you.
Who's right? Not a common guy marry a rich guy.
You should marry someone poor.
You married that.
I think this might go up from here.
That's not true.
Thank you.
She married him because she was pregnant.
I can finish these up on my own.
Good. I have a date with Fresh Prince. Who, by the way, is so rich.
Okay,
See all
thank
these
you.
cells coming
You got
in?
one night here, then you're out.
You're not being very grandmotherly right now. Where's the milk? Where's the cookies?
Do you believe this kid?
Damn. Hella cells coming in.
Getting a cookie.
One night here is fine. I'll be working more hours now, so I'll be able to get my own place.
Yeah, about that. I can't let you work full time at the store.
What? Why not?
The parents are pretty upset. I'm not going to get in the middle of that.
Damn, let me see if we could go a little more. I'm gonna get out at 4K. If we could get above 4K, I'm gonna take it.
Who's left that I know?
Finally, the right house.
Is bed?
Oh,
Mary, if we let George stay here, we're just making this all too easy.
Come on, man. Kick. Go up.
we want to know if our son is okay.
Close above this motherfucker.
Stay with your mother.
Now that's something. Well, does she get off thinking that it's a good idea for him to drop out of school and then let him live with her after he does it?
Bless him.
Good. Maybe they'll learn to mind their own business.
Will you please stop fighting?
Oh, no, sweetie, no, we're not fighting. We're just agreeing with each other angrily.
Here's the deal. You get one night here, then you're out.
Come on. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Go all the way up.
I think I should stay here and keep an eye on these two.
It wasn't a new bed. It's just something I'm looking forward to.
Yeah, I agree with you. Always good to have 10 funded, 5 lucid, 5 trade, 5. So if you blow 1 pot 5, you still have other. Don't lose days on evals. Yeah.
So how come you were here today? Were you too drunk to ride your bike home too?
Shit.
My father's back as I dropped out of school.
Ironic. Sheldon's upset because I'm not going back to the university. Look at us, a couple of dropouts.
I would trail. Saw where those candles just went. No, I'm gonna just probably exit. Let me see what. I'm gonna probably exit.
You wouldn't believe the day I had. My dad kicked me out. My girlfriend broke up with me, and now I gotta find a second job.
I drank hooch on a park bench and sang
Oh,
Lollipop.
shit.
It was tremendous.
I think I saw you. Were you with some other guy?
Yes.
What happened to him?
Fuck, was that news?
Hey, pal, wake up.
What's happening?
You can't sleep there.
Right. Sorry. Excuse me. You didn't happen to see a small, bald man around here, did you? Possibly singing Lollipop?
What?
Exit better? Yeah. Dude, I need a green candle. I want just one green candle to come. Dude, security. That's what I'm trying to do. Well, I'm trying to. He still got. Yeah. True. Bro, I want to see one little green candle so I can click green. Exit. Come on. Come on, buyers. Give me some. Give me a chance to exit. Dude. Nah, just close it. He said just close it. Bro. You gotta make. Yeah, true. But I can still lose some days, so. If I get. Oh, shit. Come on. Give me the green. Give me a fucking green candle.
Or maybe it's the hypnotic rotation of spinning clothes on their
I could have got out of there, to be honest.
Stain for the future. Look at him.
I can still get out right here.
Yes, laundromat.
Fuck it.
Order filled.
Also love film, but
Damn, I should have stayed in. Fuck, this is gonna go up now. Fuck, I should have stayed in.
it's a texture.
This is gonna go up now.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Actually, I'm gonna cash out.
How come?
I should have held it. Like my gut was telling me to.
Why?
I'll spend more time with grandkids.
I got grandkids too. Why do you think I'm here so much? So who's gonna take over this place? Guess what? I'm buying a laundromat.
Fuck. Should have held it.
I don't know how to react. Is that good news?
Oh yeah.
Well,
Let's go.
cool.
Oh well. I guess I'm done today. Should I lock the accounts? Little man. Let's see what gold. Let's see if we had if we have a gold trade in site.
Most people are right-handed. Did you know I set the table and I said thank you? No one thanked me.
Damn.
Fun fact, you don't hear me complaining.
Hey,
What are you doing here?
thought I could have dinner.
Let's go, Dave. We out that bitch.
You live here?
Oh hell nah. Lockout. I ain't done yet. Dude, fuck, I should have held that trade.
Shit.
Dude, I'm gonna probably go in right here for a small trade.
So, do you still live here?
I don't know.
Of course you do.
You go back to school?
Nope.
Well, it sounds like you don't live here.
He's our son. You're not.
Dude, the job's not done.
You mean adult, you can pay
Order
for your
filled.
place.
That was my plan.
Okay, what if he pitches in here?
Alright, I'll get out after this.
Yes. You would do that, right?
Watch, I'll do what you want, Dave. I'll go break even. I just want
I'll go get my legal pad.
I just want at least 500.
I'm gonna have a clue.
Hey Siri, what is 150 times 4?
Secret back room that the owner
150
has
times
for
4 is 600.
you. And you never told me.
Well, this is how secrets work.
I'll lock out right here.
Let me explain secrets.
Give me a sense for how illegal this is.
Who says it's illegal?
Why is it a secret?
Okay, it's illegal. But these places have been around for years. Nobody gets hurt. The cops don't care.
Yeah, I thought you liked being retired. Now you want to be a business owner? It's not as much fun as I make it look.
Oh, I'm gonna take an L.
I've been gambling my whole life and losing to the
Dave, I'm gonna take an L. You're right, dude. I should have fucking locked the account. Dave, you was right. I should have locked the fucking account.
really heavy energy to find a new girlfriend.
Oh, wait.
Dave, you was right. I should have fucking locked it.
Okay, so we've agreed on monthly rent. Should we talk utilities?
Why do I gotta pay for that stuff?
Because you use them and they cost money.
There are 5 of us in the house, so I suggest he pays 20%. Although he does take a little.
Dave, should I lock it now?
20%.
Look, break even, Dave. This is the last trade.
Stop
Up,
filled.
that was it.
Let me. I'm paying.
You're right, trade. Hey, don't play around. You right, dude. You right.
Maybe I shouldn't.
You right.
You said it, not me.
He doesn't have to pay for you.
You right, nigga. You right.
That's a set.
You motherfucking right, bro. Let's fucking go. Let's go, nigga. Still perfect fucking day. We are 4K. Let's fucking go, Dave. Let's fucking go, nigga. Let's fucking go. I'm ready for tomorrow. I might trade Asia, nigga. I might trade Asia.
I don't even have hair on my legs yet. What's the rush?
My plan for the next day, same thing. I'm gonna go lighter though, but I'm gonna use the same zones. What I believe now is, look, so the higher time frames, yeah, 2 to 3 micros, but look, this is my plan. So the higher time frames, we would still bullish, cause look, this made me still want to go bullish. So what my plans is tomorrow is to wherever we in, I'm gonna target these highs. Or I'm gonna also probably take a trade for Asia for like 2 to 3 minis.
I can check anything, but if you think she's lying, she probably is.
No, that's not it.
Damn.
Still good life
I
advice.
just deleted that.
What do you know about these backroom slot machine places?
Why? You thinking of putting one in your store?
No. No, I'm asking for Connie because she's kind of interested.
Those places are harmless. We look the other way.
Oh, that's good. So what other laws are okay?
Not hiding.
Hell no. Hell no what?
That's a clean thinking. When they found it, did confetti shoot out?
Sheldon, come on. I need my own space. We've always shared a room. I'm a young lady now. You seem the same to me. I have a training room. When you complete your training, get back to me. You know you want privacy too. I suppose it would be nice to have one of my trains in science equipment in here. Great, it's settled. It would be like my fortress of solitude. Good for you. Or my bat cave. Shh. Although I don't care for caves. Or bats. I suppose fortress of solitude. I'm gonna choke you with my dog. Good night.
Oh no, I'm gonna do micros. My bad, not minis. I'm gonna do micros. Look.
Hey, Chase, just wait till halftime.
I'll be done in a second.
What are you doing? Moving my stuff? Well, we haven't discussed who gets what yet. I get my stuff, you get your stuff. Done. There's community property. We've lived together for over 10 years. In some states, we'd be considered married. Gross. I don't make the rules, I just know them all. What after you get this over? We just need to agree upon who gets which item.
Let's go.
Fine. As my farewell gift to you, so do your dumb thing.
Man.
See, when you're mean and nice at the same time.
Guys, I'm out. Thank you for supporting the stream. Thank you for watching, everyone, man. Leave a like, subscribe to the video, man. If you took these trades and you made success off of them, man, like the video. Look, 1,000 here.
Could be taking place under a bridge or in a
Where
parking
else do we make money?
I'm handing him a cashier's
Let me see.
check. He's giving me the keys.
He's gonna know where you live.
In the phone book. I'm not hard to find.
Well, what if he grabs the check and
1,600 here and 800.
Yeah, he's skedaddling anywhere.
whatever you say.
Are you disappointed this isn't more like some old cop show?
I love drop profiles.
Watch it. When he gets here, you're my muscle. If anything goes sideways, you jump in.
Hey, now you're drunk. I stand behind you in the crack.
You're a prize?
It's only bad when it rains.
Yes, one Timex brand alarm clock.
It's yours.
Are you sure? It has the stylish foam wood finish.
Fine, I'll take it.
Oh,
So you want it?
yes.
It's yours.
Thank you.
I know this is sad,
Education
but
and